Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect cup of Vietnamese-style coffee using an AeroPress. Vietnamese coffee is a coffee that slowly drips from a filter called a phin straight into sweet condensed milk. Traditionally, it's served over ice, but today we're going to do things a little differently. The coffee beans I'm using today are produced in Vietnam. 100% Robusta beans, butter roasted with an added chocolate aroma. I don't actually know if this is a good coffee brand, but it's the only one I managed to get my hands on. Let me know in the comments whether you think it was a good choice. I put the beans into the grinder and grind them to the same fineness as for espresso. As I mentioned right at the beginning, I pour 2 teaspoons of coffee into the AeroPress, since I don't have a traditional Vietnamese filter. 2 minutes of brewing is enough, and then you can press the coffee through the filter. I pour a bit of condensed milk into a glass. Remember, the composition of this milk is almost half sugar. The more you add, the sweeter your coffee will be. Next, I slowly pour the previously brewed coffee into the glass. I mix everything thoroughly, and it's ready. You can already drink the coffee prepared this way, and I know you're supposed to add ice. But even prepared warm like this, the coffee is still really good.